Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you know how crucial it is to move your assets securely. Today, I'm walking you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to withdraw USDT from Binance to your Arculus wallet. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest updates since crypto platforms evolve quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you haven't already, go ahead and open the Binance app or website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. This is where all your funds are managed. From there, click on Withdraw, it's usually right at the top. Now, you'll need to select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Binance offers multiple networks for USDT, like Tron or ERC20, so choose the one that matches your Arculus wallet setup. Pro tip: always verify the network to avoid any lost funds, it's a common mistake. Next, enter your Arculus wallet address. You can find this by opening your Arculus app and going to the Receive section. Double check that the address is correct. One wrong character could send your USDT into the void. Then, input the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and review any fees involved. Hit Confirm, and follow the on-screen verification, which might include 2FA for extra security. Once that's done, Binance will process your withdrawal. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Head over to your Arculus wallet app and refresh it to see your USDT arrive. Awesome, you're all set. A quick word of caution: always use a secure connection and never share your wallet details. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.